guys, and welcome back to this segment on our channel called Answering Your Most Googled Medical Questions by Gastro. And today's video is a super remarkable and interesting topic, so let's get started. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the current FDA-approved HIV preventative drugs. So HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. It weakens a person's immune system by destroying important cells that fight disease and infection. One may contract HIV through anal or vaginal sex, the sharing of infected needles, syringes, or other drug injection equipment, or from mother-to-child transmission during the childbirth process. Pre-exposure prophylaxis, or PrEP, is medicine taken to prevent a person from getting HIV. PrEP is highly effective for preventing HIV when taken as prescribed. It reduces the risk of HIV from sex by 99%, and it reduces the risk of getting HIV from injecting drug use by at least 74%. But PrEP is less effective when not taken as prescribed. Since PrEP only protects against HIV, condom use is still important for protection against other STDs such as chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, and herpes. Condom use is also important to prevent HIV if PrEP tablets are not taken as prescribed. Pre-exposure prophylaxis, or PrEP, is prescribed for individuals who have had anal or vaginal sex in the past 6 months and they have a sexual partner with HIV, especially if the partner has an unknown or detectable viral load, have not consistently used a condom, or have been diagnosed with another STD in the past 6 months. It is also prescribed for individuals who inject drugs and have had an injection partner with HIV, or share needles, syringes, or other equipment to inject drugs, for example, cookers. There are currently 2 oral medications approved for daily use as PrEP. They are combinations of 2 anti-HIV drugs, emtricitabine and tenofovir, in a single pill. Truvada is used for all people at risk for HIV through sex or injection drug use. Descovy is for sexually active men and transgender women at risk of getting HIV. But Descovy has not yet been studied for HIV prevention for receptive vaginal sex. So recently, on Monday, 20th December 2021, the Food and Drug Administration approved the world's first injectable medication to reduce the risk of sexually transmitted HIV. Prior to this, the only PrEP or pre-exposure prophylaxis medications that had been approved were pills required to be taken daily, such as Truvada and Descovy. So for some people, adherence to daily medication can prove to be challenging or not a realistic option. And now, this approval adds an important tool in the effort to end the HIV epidemic by providing the first option to prevent HIV that does not involve taking a daily pill. The injectable drug Apretude is given first as 2 injections 1 month apart and then once every 2 months. It is also approved for use in at-risk adults and adolescents weighing at least 77 pounds, which is around 35 kilograms. Recipients are required to test negative for HIV before starting the drug and before each injection to reduce the risk of developing drug resistance. So this brand new injectable medication was found in trials to be more effective than oral medication at preventing HIV infection from sex. In a trial of 4,566 cisgender men and transgender women who have had sex with men, those who took Apretude had a 69% less risk of getting infected compared with participants who took Truvada, the Food and Drug Administration said. Participants in the trial of 3,224 cisgender women found those who took Apretude had 90% less risk of getting infected than those who took Truvada. And so the new injection provides a critical alternative to oral medication, which the FDA noted can be less effective in certain groups of people who are less likely to adhere to the strict daily regimen. Other factors such as substance abuse, depression, poverty, and the need to hide or take the oral medication discreetly also impact adherence, the FDA said. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you found the presentation very interesting and informative. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe and share. And please make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you'll be notified every time we have a new upload. If you would like to help us make better videos and content, you can also donate to us via PayPal. Take care and thanks for joining me today as I explored the FDA-approved HIV preventative drugs.